The mayor-elect says he doesn't want to add to the confusion by second-guessing the current mayor, de Blasio. But that leaves a lot of questions about what, if anything, will change after January 1st, from schools to work-from-home decisions to masking to large gatherings. A lot of unanswered questions because the incoming mayor won't answer them.
I don't need inauguration.
But other than postponing his big indoor ceremony planned for January 1st, Mayor-elect Eric Adams flatly refused to lay out in any detail any of the health safety measures he'll be rolling out once he takes office.
January 1st, I'm going to swear in, and we're going to execute our plan. That's going to be a combination of technology, a combination of law enforcement, a combination of our other agencies. I'm going to roll out my plan. I'm not going to feed in the desire to say, Eric, do you agree or disagree with the mayor?
There was no clarification on the color-coded COVID alert system Adams mentioned Monday. He would not say if he'll require the city's 1 million public school children to get a COVID test before returning to class from holiday break Monday, January 3rd. And Adams would not say if he'll let thousands of city workers go back to working remotely at least part of the time, which so far Mayor de Blasio has refused to do.
There is one mayor right now in the city. I speak with him 3 times a day. He's executing his plan. That plan consists of what he announced today that I support.
Adams continues to focus, for the most part, on other parts of his agenda, including appointing the city's first ever Latino Department of Transportation Commissioner, current Inwood Councilman Ydanis Rodriguez.
We are not only facing a pandemic due to COVID, but a pandemic of unsafe streets.
So what is the Adams message and plan for those worried about the actual pandemic right now? Basically, he's telling New Yorkers to trust him.
This city is going to be in great hands with Eric Adams. I'm going to get us through COVID. I'm going to get us through the economic crisis. I'm going to make sure the city recovers.
Back to the inauguration for a moment. As we've reported, currently postponed, but postponed to when is the big question, and that has a lot to do with this COVID surge. Live at City Hall, Henry Rossall, Pix 11 News.